Today I wanted to share with you the unboxing of my Scarlet Line Planner Society April subscription kit. I'll just take this bag out. Just going to pop my hand in and see what I grab. So the first thing is actually this felt pouch. So it's a really firm felt like the grey one we received a few months ago. It's got very shiny gold buttons there, and that's a pouch for popping things in, and it just ties up with this ribbon. And these are the colours of this month's kit. Pop that there. The next thing is this. Oh, it's velvet. It's very soft. It's lovely. It's very velvety. Gorgeous colour. Love the colour. And that just comes with an extra bit to attach it to a ring-bound planner, should you have a ring-bound planner. So that's very pretty. And then we have paper clips. Also velvet. So this one matches the big bow, and then the cream, which matches the cream there. The next thing is a leopard print. A gold and leopard print pen. Here we go. So that's a black ballpoint pen. Then we have puffy stickers. I'll just take them out of here so we don't have glare. So there we go, puffy stickers. They're not hugely puffy actually, only a little bit puffy. So they're the puffy stickers. I'll just move these things. And the next thing is the tabs, which are a regular feature every month. This month I've got gold writing. So as per usual, the stickies to put on the tabs, and then the tabs which match the paper for the kit. Oh, next thing is die cuts. Huge bag of die cuts. I think what I'll do is take a photo of these die cuts so I can insert it here. And you can see what the die cuts are like. And then we have these. Big things often have small beginnings. You are the creator of your own destiny. Be the best version of you. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy planners. And the future belongs to those who believe in chasing their dreams. Right, the next thing is washi tape, and there are two washi tapes this month. They're really nice thin 10mm washi tape. So I will unroll these and insert a photo here. The next thing is sticky notes. These sticky notes actually have gold foil on them. These dots are gold foil. Very cute, a really good size. And this is the next thing. This will be the stickers for the kit. We'll just see what else is in the bag. Oh, we've got a patch. So this is an adhesive patch that you can put on a planner or a dashboard or whatever you fancy. And the only other thing left in the bag is the paper. So what I'll do now is I'll just clear the space off and we'll open the paper and the stickers. Okay, so I've just opened the paper pack and the sticker bag, and we'll just have a look at the stickers first. So 5 sticker sheets this month. For the paper, we've got this side with gold foil, and on the reverse, the leopard print. We have this. And on the reverse of that, beautiful gold foil butterflies. Love the butterflies. The other paper that we have is this floral with the gold foil. And this gold foil marble print, which is possibly my favourite. I don't know, between the gold foil butterflies and the marble. There's also some vellum. This one here is vellum with the very soft pink flowers. And this leopard print is vellum. And then the beautiful butterflies are also in an acetate. So that's everything for this month in the kit. It seems quite a lot in the kit. It doesn't look as pink as what I thought it looked like with the sneak peeks on screen, but these are the papers. I had already made this A6 size traveller's notebook from a previous paper, which I added glitter to and bound with gold, and I was planning on using this traveller's notebook with the kit. I'm a little bit undecided now as to whether I use this notebook or whether I make one from one of these other papers, although I quite like the notebook with everything else. So I'll have to have a play around and think about whether I use this one or make another one. Anyway, thanks for watching.